everyone, welcome back. I'm going to do another pendulum pour, and this is the result of the last pendulum pour I did, and it was a lot of fun. I used a ton of paint, but this was my first one, and the puppy that showed up did stay, which is really very cool. So go check out the video to see how that happened. I'm going to do another one. Not sure I'm going to have a nice puppy, but we're going to see what happens. So for this one, we're going to use a silicone funnel. I got these on Amazon. It's collapsible. I hooked it to my twine that is thumbtacked to my ceiling. And I got two canvases this time. I painted them dark green. It's actually called Black Forest Green, and I did mix it with a little bit of black and pewter that I had remaining. And I painted those last night because when I want to do this pour, I don't want the green to mix with my colors. I just like the colors to sit on top. And then I thought it'd be fun to do two side by side, because as we do this, I hope to get more of the line effect off the two. So it's going to be fun. So since I have this dark background, I'm going to start with the white, and then this is the 24 karat gold. I mixed it with white because I thought the white was pouring medium. So this is a very interesting creamy 24 karat gold. Not so sure it's going to be shimmery, but that'll be fun to find out. And then I just got this brown. I'm going to do this one on the top. So I'm going to start pouring from the light and go dark, and we're going to see what happens. I'm going to put a finger on this hole to block it. I'm going to make sure my canvases are tight. Then I'm just going to start pouring in here. And I filled this one up. I'm going to fill it over halfway. And that would be why we shouldn't do it over our canvas. No little drips. Let's just clean those up real quick. Get some baby wipes. One-handed, of course. I'm going to re-level it straight, and I think that'll be just fine. This is an experiment after all. This is the second time I'm doing this type of pour, so I don't have a lot of big expectations other than it's going to be fun to see what happens. So I would like to move these a little bit out of the way. Make sure we have some room for the pendulum in case it decides to go crazy. Okay, so I got my paint. Think I'm ready. I'm just gonna start it and let it go. Oh, make sure it's level. Here we go. That's a big hole. Okay, that I did not like. I think that's a big chunky hole because of this hole, but I'm going to keep going. See what happens. In this, since I poured the white and it's got the shadow of the white coming through it, so that's pretty cool. Let's try this now. Here's the dark. And that's pretty cool because it's got some lacing in it now from the other two colors. Really cool. Okay, let's try the white again. But this way I'm going to go a different direction. This definitely is not working out like I expected because it is a bigger hole. But I think this is going to be fun. So let's try this. Then some gold again. This may be like a dirty pour by the time I'm done with it. And I have been researching the pendulum pour, so there's some different methods I want to try. I just wanted to try this first. In the next video I'll show you the other ones because there's some pretty crafty people out there I've been finding. And they have some great ideas and it seems to work. So after this video and this experiment, I'm going to start working on those. Let's do this. This is pretty neat right there. All right. So what I think I'll do, I'll take this and just get it set to the side and let it finish draining out over there. And I'm just going to start working on these now to see what I can do with them. I don't have any silicone in here. I would like to keep the green intact because I do like that dark green. I love that lacing and the brown. And if anything, if this doesn't work out, you can always paint over them. It's the best thing about these experiments in arts. You're really not wasting a lot of supplies. Look at that really cool brown right there. Usually I don't like brown because I feel like I get a lot of brown on its own when I mix up the wrong shades of colors and I make mud. So I thought it would be fun to actually use brown on purpose. Okay, let me clean up my hand a little bit. I'm going to pick up the other one. Look at that, that's really cool. And I do like these colors. Reminds me of the desert, which is where I live. And today was really nice outside. It was only like 95 degrees. Almost sweater weather for us. But Friday there was a big lightning storm. well, not a big lightning storm, but a big bolt of lightning came and caught the mountain on fire. So the fire crews have been working on that over the weekend. Hopefully no homes are getting endangered. This is really cool. Definitely not what I was wanting or expecting, but I do think it's really, really cool. I'm just gonna keep turning it a little bit down here because I would like to get down here covered. And I'm dripping on that one. It's going to make little indentions on there. See if I can get more patterns down here. Look at that, almost looks good like that. Those lines line up. So I might just cover up more green on here. It's very interesting. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to let these sit and rest. And we're just going to take a look at them again. Look how cool this is down on the paper. We're going to take them, look at them when they're dry, and then decide if we're going to paint over them or if we're going to try to do something else with them. So this pendulum pour with the funnel is not a great hit. I don't recommend it at all. Those funnels are good. They're collapsible. They come in a set of 4. So they're handy for other things, just not with what we're doing right now. So when I get this cleaned up, I'll start working on the other pendulum ideas I found, and we'll see how those go. So thank you for watching. Be sure you subscribe and click the bell so you get notified with the new videos. And if you have any comments or any other ideas, just let me know, and I'll be happy to try them. So have a good day, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.